Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram Android. The way to turn on Instagram's dark mode varies depending on the device you're using, but it's fairly easy on each. iPhone users have one option, using the Settings app, while Android users can activate dark mode within the app or in the smartphone settings. Here's how to turn on Instagram's dark mode and how to turn dark mode off too. Android users can choose whether to just make Instagram dark or to apply the dark mode across all compatible apps. First, let's dive into how to activate dark mode on Instagram directly. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Then, select the menu icon at the top right, the three-line hamburger icon. On the switch appearance, tap the toggle by dark mode to activate this mode. To turn off dark mode on Instagram, follow the same steps, but use the toggle to turn dark mode off. Turning on dark mode in the Instagram app will maintain the black background until switch it off. However, if you use the Android settings, you can have your phone automatically switch over after sunset. Although this option varies based on your phone's manufacturer. Open your phone's settings menu by swiping down or tap on the screen. Navigate to Display and open it. Then, activate the dark theme toggle. Depending on your smartphone manufacturer, the terminology may vary. You may see dark theme, dark mode, or night mode. Open Instagram, and Instagram will be by default automatically respond to your device system setting. Google Pixel devices may also automatically switch to dark when battery saver mode is activated. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.